Hi, how are you? My name is Anjal and I welcome you to this quick and easy guitar tutorial for this beautiful song Habanera Carmen. This entire song will have 4 to 5 main lines to learn, but you should be able to play this entire song just like that. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the tutorial and see how the song goes. So the first line of the song goes something like this. Very slowly we have. Let's break that down. So it's very simple. You just have your ring finger on the 3 of the 4th string. You're playing top string, 5th string, 4th string, 5th string, and you just do that 3 times. So you have like that. Very well done. That will take you to the next line of the song. Very slowly we have. Let's break that down. So we started on the 10th fret of the 1st string. You play 10 followed by 9 followed by 8 with the top string, and you play that 8 again. Okay, so far you have like that. Then you have 8 7 6. Okay, that will take you to 5. You play that again with the top string. Okay, so far from the start to the 5-0 we have then you do 5-4-3 all the way to 1-0 on the top string. Okay, so this last part from the 5-0 like that. Then you have 0-1-3-1 and you play 0-0 on 1st and the 5th string. Okay, so this much from the start we have. Very good. Now we do pretty much the same thing, but this time with the 5th string open. So you again have the 10-9, 8-8 with the 5th, then 8-7-6 to the 5. From here, little change happens. You do 5-3-1. Okay, instead of 5-4-3, we do 5-3-1, and then you do 0 on the 1st and 0 on the 5th. Okay, so this much from the 10-9 the second time goes like. Then you have 3 on the 2nd string, 0 on the 1st, 1 on the 1st, 0 on the 1st, and you end it with 3 on the 2nd string and 0 on the top. Okay, so the second half we have and this entire line from the very start, very slowly we have. Very well done. Now luckily you play this entire thing twice, so you play everything again. Very well done. That will take you to the next line of the song. Goes something like this, very slowly. We have. Let's break that down. So we started with the D chord, kind of, and you're playing second string, third string, second string, then first string open. So from the D chord, just take that middle finger off. So you have third string, second string, first string open. Okay, like that. Then you have 2 and the 0 on the fourth. Then you do 5 with the pinky. Don't leave the first finger because we want that 2 again. So you do, okay, so you do 5 2 0. Right after that 2 and 0. Okay, from the start up till here you have then you do 3 on the second string with the fourth string open. Okay, so one more time with the 3 and the 0. From the 2 and the 0 you have, then you do 0 2 3 on the first string. Then you do 5 5 5 4 times with the 0 on the first, 5 on the fourth string. Then you do 7 and 5 on the first string. Okay, up till here from the very start we have right after that you have first finger on the 5th fret, top string, pinky on the 8th of the second string, like that. Okay, so you did that 5 5 0. Okay, right after that the ring finger goes, catches the 7, it's already there. You do 7 0 7 on the first and the second string. So you do 7 0 on the one and 7 on the second. Then you add the pinky for the 8 on the second string, play that with the 5th string open. Let the ring finger go back, catch the 7 on the first string, and you do 8 7 on the second. Okay, so this part from the 5 5 5 you have after that you just play 5th string with the first string open, 2 3 5. Then you have 7 7 7 4 times with the 5th string. You do 9 7 on the first string and you end it with 5 and 0 on the fourth string. Okay, so this entire line very slowly from the start we have. Very well done. And that will take you to the last line of the song. Goes something like this, very slowly we have. Break that down. So we started on the same D chord shape again. So you have the same 2 and 3 on the third and the second string. You don't have the middle finger on, so you can play the first string open. Kind of same start, so you do the same thing again. Okay, so up till here, everything is pretty much the same. After that, you slide all the way to the 10, then the 9 on the first string. Okay, so this much from the start we have. Okay, then you have the same 5 and 8 coming. Okay, all of this is exactly the same like we have done before. The only new part comes after this. You go to the 9 on the first string with the 5th string open. Pinky goes to the 12 on the second string, then the first finger catches the 9. You wanna use the same finger for the 10 so that the 14, the pinky reaches very nicely on the first string. 12 on the first string again. Okay, so this much you have from the 9. Like that. Then you have 10 on the first string with the 4th string open. And you end it by making a little bar chord on the first 2 strings. Play 5th string with the 2nd string. Add the middle finger on the 3rd string, and you play top string, 3rd string, 1st string together. Okay, so this last part, one more time from the 9, you have. Okay, now make sure you do make that bar chord, because catching those 2 10s together can feel a little challenging. Okay, so this entire line from the start, very slowly we have. Very well done, and that will complete this song for you. Now that we are through with all of that, it's time for you to head into the play along of this song. But before we do that, make sure you're very good with all the sections of the song. In case you don't understand something or you need more practicing, then please do feel free to go back, re-watch the tutorial, and then come back to this section of this video. But if you're already feeling all good with the song, then let's dive right into the play along and see how you do. I really hope that you were able to play this entire song in its entirety and that you had a fun time doing so. But again, in case you still have any doubts, any queries, any suggestions, or even song requests, then please do feel free to leave a comment right there in the comment box below so that it may get conveyed to me. Now, if you really like this video, then please do feel free to hit that thumbs up button, as it really motivates me to make more such content for you. And if you want to see more of me, then as we all know, that subscribe button is your way to go, and I'll be back with more fun and easy to learn songs made specially for you. For today, this is it. You have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.